Hey friends, how are you doing today? Do you know what we're going to talk about? I think chopsticks. Just kidding! Today we're going to talk about the solar system. You're probably asking me, what is the solar system? The solar system is a collection of celestial objects that orbit our sun. You probably don't know what the sun is or what celestial is. Well, I'm here to tell you, celestial is any object that refers to space, sky, or universe. But I have a joke for you. Why did the astronaut take a pillow to the moon?
He was sleepy.
No, silly. He wanted a soft landing.
Hey guys, let's continue where Mem left off. Alright, so my job for the day is to teach you guys about what the solar system consists of. Okay, the solar system consists of what we call the sun and the planets. So, the sun is known as the biggest star that is located in the center of the solar system. Okay, all stars are known as balls of very hot gas that give out heat and light energy. As you can see, this is the sun and it gives out heat and light energy. So guys, in our solar system, we have 8 planets. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, mainly these planets are categorized under 2 important names. So we have rocky planets and we have gas planets. Can you guys guess what the rocky planets are? Oh,
It's planet that is rocks.
no, great attempt though. Rocky planets are planets that are the first 4 inner planets, and the gas planets are the last outer 4 planets.
Oh, hello there. Now, moving on to the 4 rocky planets. We have our first planet in the solar system, which is Mercury. Now, Mercury consists of a rocky surface with an iron core, and it is also the smallest planet in our solar system. Now, moving on to Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system, and it is also the hottest planet in the solar system with around 1,680 active volcanoes. Now, moving on to the planet Earth. The planet Earth consists of liquid water, diverse ecosystems, and it also supports life. The planet Earth consists of an iron core. Now, as we move on to the planet Mars, which is also called the red planet. Planet Mars consists of a rocky surface, and it also consists of a little bit of water, but what can I say?
And as previously mentioned in the video, we have 2 types of planets, rocky planets as well as gas planets. Let's move on to those gas planets. Firstly, we have our first one, and also, surprising fact, the biggest planet in our solar system, that is Jupiter. Jupiter is made up of gas, hydrogen gases and ammonium, and it is quite cold because it's positioned a bit further from the sun. Then moving on, we have our next planet, which is Saturn. Saturn is a very special planet as it also has a specific ring that orbits around the planet. This ring is made up of iced water. Okay, moving on to our next planet, we have Uranus, which is a blue-green ball of gas, and it is further from the sun, so definitely the temperatures are also much colder. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, we have our final planet, which is Neptune. Neptune is the last planet in our solar system, and it's also the furthest from the sun. Some of its features, it has cold and stormy surfaces, or strong winds rather, because of how far it is from the sun. That concludes our 8 planets of the solar system.
Right, guys, so before we conclude our lesson for the day, right, we forgot the most important feature, which is what? Which is orbits. So who can tell me what is orbit? Right? So let's quickly get into this. Orbits, right? So each planet has its own axis, right? Which is an imaginary line that runs across it. So this is the imaginary line. I've made the imaginary line to be visible for you guys, right? So it is an imaginary line that runs across each and every planet, right? And then now each planet is tilted at a different angle. Tilted meaning that some planets are this way, some planets are this way, some planets are even facing backwards, right? So for example, now let us look at our Mother Earth, planet Earth, right? With a planet like Earth rotating on its own axis as it revolves around the sun, meaning that as the Earth rotates on its own axis, right, it also what? Revolves around the sun. So let's say this is our sun, right? This is the Earth. So as the Earth rotates on its own axis, meaning that the Earth is standing at one point and rotating, as it rotates, it also revolves around the sun, meaning that it turns around our sun, right? Making it for us to have day and night, right? So guys, that's all on solar systems. Catch you guys on our next class. Peace.